Hey everyone, Saqib Ali from the Textile World. In this video, I'm gonna finish the debate of passwords versus passphrases. How many of you have ever heard about the passphrase? The password is the most common word we use from 1960s. The passwords were invented in 1960 at MIT. 60 years gone, passwords are being used enormously to protect our online accounts. Passwords are going weaker and weaker day by day as the hardware to crack the passwords are going improved. You can see my video about the password length and complexity, and time required to crack those passwords have been drastically reduced even from 2020 to 2022. Passwords are inherently weak if you are using only the one type of characters, like you are using only numbers, you are only using the lowercase, or you are using an obvious word or dictionary word, or you are using a low length word. Your length of password is too small to save you from hackers. Stop doing this. If you are using a password, you must use a password of appropriate length with a mix of characters and add some uniqueness to that password. Solution to this is passphrases. Passphrases, as the name implies, is a phrase, is not a single length password. You can use the 4 to 5 up to 10 word sentence like thing is a passphrase. The time required to crack the passphrase is drastically huge. But one thing to remember is the passphrases are weak too. But how? If you are using a phrase like I love my pet, I love my dog, I love my cat, I love my city, I love my country, I like to visit that place, I love to play games. These are the things, these are the mix of words that actually relates to you. If a hacker or a cracker knows your likes, dislikes, your habits, your routines, your country, your location, that it can easily manage to access your account through passphrase suggestions. Add some entropy. You must add some randomness to your passwords. How can I add the randomness? Avoid the obvious. Don't think anyone what you will be using as a passphrase. Don't use the names of pets. Don't use the name of your city. Don't use the name of your children. Don't use the names about your professions. Don't make the sentences like grammatically correct sentences. You must make grammatically incorrect sentences. These are the characteristics of a good passphrase against the password. I will recommend you use passphrases instead of passwords because the era of passwords has long gone. That's all for this video. Till the next video, Saqib Ali signing off. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.